Hi guys, it's me again. We're gonna record in the store. People might be looking at us, but you won't know because we are the only one going into the stores.
So Ava doesn't know what her surprise is today, but she outgrew her old bike. So today we're gonna get her a new bike.
Yay! Is that my last surprise?
Yep.
Hey Bob, we are right in the bike section. So we're gonna show you what bike I want, but we're not there. I haven't looked yet, so I don't know which one I want. But we're gonna try to look for Frozen bike, right, Daddy?
That's right.
Hey Vlog, I got a new bike today. It's from Walmart and we're gonna accessorize it. But first we're gonna show you the review. Hey Vlog, this is my dream bike I've ever wanted. We're gonna take these turning wheels off and give it a spin. I like this bike because it just has this cool thing here and it's super sparkly and has these cool wheels. I just love it all. And it has this little design. And if you didn't see here, it has a design on the other side. And if you didn't see, these wheels also have a design. Because that one does. And because this side has this fresh thing. And it matches this. Except it really doesn't really have this. Hey, but I adore these wheels. And you can actually feel the stars right here. You can actually feel them. This picture is like my favorite.
Are you gonna keep those training wheels on?
No! I don't want to ride a bike without training wheels. I can play with them, except I don't really want to. But we're going to take these babies off and give them a makeover.
Alright, well let's see you on the bike before we take the training wheels off.
Okay, then we'll show them when we're done.
So what do you like about the bike? Why did you pick this one?
Hey Vlog, I picked this bike because it has this pretty pink and because this blue is so pretty. I love it, and you can see through here but you can't see because, but I'll show you. Right there, you can see through. And this bike also turns around. If you guys can see, it has this, and you can put one of the accessories I saw on.
Does it have a handbrake too?
Oh yeah, it's a big brake off my feet. It's just like the other bike. Except all bikes can brake with their feet.
That's not true. Big bikes can't like that one.
They can't?
No.
Just brake with this. Okay guys, what I said is not true. You can't brake with this all the time. Hey Vlog, Lee, I'm gonna take my training wheels off. I'm super excited, but I have this accessory kit, and the bike also comes with accessories inside this thing.
Let's see your accessories.
Okay.
In the bike.
Yeah, the bike first because these ones are so cool. It even comes with something like that. I think you guys bikes. Some bikes don't really come with accessories like this.
Wow, where do those go?
This one goes here. The bike's gonna have to go up, and these things are gonna go here.
Perfect.
And these are like little streamers, and they're blue because this bike is blue and I like these so much.
What other accessories do you have?
I'm going to walk to Daddy for these ones. You guys won't believe it. I have some new handlebars. And I have a bell. And I have the other. And I have some more of those little streamers at party thingies. And I got some of these to put here. Right there. If you guys didn't know that, some bikes do not have it. And this is a basket that can go on the log, on my bike instead of this thingy. Because I like this basket better. And it has a unicorn. And matches the bell. Look, guys. And these things here are definitely going to go here. Because look on the back, guys. You don't believe this. This is basket. This is a bell. And those are to go like there like a side. Isn't it crazy, guys? And they can go together. It just shows them like that because. Hey, we are gonna accessorize this, and we're gonna stand you guys up right here because Daddy needs to help me. I'm taking these training wheels off, but I can do the accessorizing. Some accessorizing, Daddy might need to help me.
Right.
Hey, vlog! This is my bike, and if you guys didn't see, I accessorized it. My Daddy did help on these wheels. I like the front better because I like the things in this one, but you can see on the other side too. And I have this cool bell. It's a unicorn, and I have these so cool things, and I can switch them out though.
Give us a ring on the bell so we can hear what it sounds
Okay.
like.
It's super loud.
Did you change out the grips too?
Oh yeah, I changed them up.
One's blue, one's pink?
Yep. And the other one used to be pale blue. But this one is like a little cool design on it. And it has like these dots around it. And it's good grip or better.
So how was that ride?
So good. That actually could have been the best ride of my ever.
Push hard, push up the hill.
It's super good. And I think people are very good because they love my bike accessories and I like my wheels. Okay. I like the top one because they're like one wheel. Well, oh yeah, that's how they make it.
Hey, this is Ava's dad, Dominic, just introducing another segment that we've been working on. It's called the Q&A segment, where we kind of, at the end of our videos, or maybe to start a new video, we will ask a few questions about, ask Ava a few questions about her experiences with whatever activity that we did. So today, we surprised her with a new bike, and we're going to ask her a little bit about how that bike ride was, how she liked the bike, how she liked accessorizing the bike and playing with the bike. So, Ava, let's start with the surprise. Were you surprised that you were getting a bike today?
Yep.
What was the funnest thing about getting that bike?
My favorite part of getting my bike was looking at the ones outside and looking at the ones inside, and I got to ride a few, and I picked the one I wanted.
What was your favorite part about the bike?
My favorite part about the bike was putting the accessories on the wheels.
Awesome. Putting the accessories on the wheels, it made it very colorful. In that kit, you also got grips, you got a basket, and that accessory kit. Would you recommend the accessory kit to another kid? So, outside of the accessory kit that we talked about, what were your favorite accessories to put on the bike?
The little things that go on the bottom of the handbars.
Oh, okay, the little shimmer things.
Yep.
I noticed when you were riding, I got to see the little beads on your bike. They made a cool sound, and they would sparkle when you rode. Was that cool?
Yep.
Okay, lastly, would you recommend this bike to someone else that was looking to get a bike with training wheels for a little while and then take off the training wheels?
Yes.
Why?
It's very easy to ride my bike on the concrete, the trail, or on the road.
Bike.
All in all, I enjoyed the bike.
Again.
I can't wait to ride it again. Like and subscribe.
All right, well, that concludes our video today. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, like and subscribe.
Yep. And keep watching.